Rosie Care. Bienvenidos! Welcome to Rosie Care. This is where we take care of animals and other cool and doodle things. This basket is where we'll hold supplies. We could add all sorts of things we'll want and need. Tia and Javi are here, and they need us to puppy sit Benito. Bring Benito to his bed. Rosie's rule. To make someone feel safe and comfy, you can give them their own space. Oh, Benito is hungry and needs something to eat. Bring the puppy food to Benito. You did it! Oh, we need to go to the kitchen for that. Bring what we need into the basket. Time to go back to the living room. That was wow amazing! Benito wants to go to the carpet. Good job! Dan and Javi are here to pick up Benito. Hi, Benito. A super-tastical, comfy space. Aw, Benito would love someone to pet him. Bring the heart to Benito. Move the heart around to give extra love and gentle pets. Oh yeah, showing love, giving pets, oh yeah. Wow, amazing! Benito wants his fur to be brushed. Bring the brush to Benito. Move the brush around to brush, brush, brush. A brush here, a brush there. It's time for Benito to go home. Good job! Pick something wow amazing to use next time. Let's be kitty helpers by taking care of Gatita. A super-tastical, comfy space. Gatita is thirsty and needs water. Bring the water to Gatita. Bienvenido, Benito. Welcome back. Benito needs to go for a walk. Bring the leash to Benito to bring him to the backyard. Gatita is hungry and needs some kitty chow. Bring the food to them. Papa is here for Gatita. Ah, a beautiful day for a walk. Super-tastical job! You did it! Oh, Benito is hungry and needs something to eat. Bring the puppy food to Benito. Benito wants to play. Bring Benito the toy. Time to be kitty helpers again. It's time for Benito to go home. Wow, amazing!